Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're delving into the world of reliability engineering, a critical yet often overlooked field in asset management. We'll be uncovering what reliability engineers do, the skills required to excel in this role, and how they can enhance organizational reliability. We will dissect their role into three main areas: elimination of losses, risk management, and lifecycle asset management. Let's get started. Reliability engineers are the superheroes of asset management. They identify and manage risks to equipment reliability and then work tirelessly to reduce those risks. Their influence can be seen across multiple assets and processes, and their tasks can vary significantly from company to company. But their main roles typically include measuring the performance of critical assets, identifying the root causes of failures, managing related data, and implementing maintenance tasks to improve reliability. So what exactly do reliability engineers do? Well, their role can be broken down into three main areas: elimination of losses, management of risks, and lifecycle asset management. First, let's talk about elimination of losses. Often the first job of a reliability engineer is to examine production losses and inspect assets that are causing high maintenance costs. Working with management and operations, they lead the effort to discover the root cause of these losses and then create a plan to eliminate them. They prioritize the most critical assets and work on establishing or improving a predictive and preventive maintenance plan. Next, they manage risks. This includes managing health, safety, and environmental risks, as well as anything that could negatively affect asset capability, product quality, and production capacity. They have a toolbox full of techniques to help them manage this part of the job, including failure modes and effects analysis, fault tree analysis, and preliminary hazards analysis. The third main area of their role is lifecycle asset management. Reliability engineers help design, install, and modify assets to minimize the total cost of ownership. They create guidelines for external MRO suppliers and set inspection and review procedures. By systematically implementing the reliability plan, they can guide value-added preventive maintenance tasks and evaluate the effectiveness of predictive maintenance initiatives. Now you might be wondering, what skills do you need to be a successful reliability engineer? Well, the number one skill is the ability to learn. Every asset failure is an opportunity to problem solve, both in the short term and the long term. Over time, an organization will gather the data needed to make better and smarter reliability decisions. But there are also some general skill categories that will be helpful for a reliability engineer. These include basic engineering, people skills, statistical modeling and data analysis, material and system modeling and analysis, root cause analysis, business skills, and customer awareness. Each of these skills plays a crucial role in a reliability engineer's ability to effectively manage and improve asset reliability. The job description of a reliability engineer can vary across industries and companies, but there are some common roles that a reliability engineer may take on. These include being a champion of lifecycle asset management, a developer, installer, and commissioner, a final checkpoint for upholding reliability standards, a creator of asset maintenance plans, a risk monitor and reporter, a problem solver, a production analyzer, and a technical supporter. So how can a reliability engineer improve organizational reliability? Well, there are several ways. First, they can become an expert in root cause analysis. This is a critical skill for identifying and addressing the underlying causes of asset failures. Second, they can use overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, on critical assets. This tool measures the reliability of a single critical asset and can help identify and eliminate specific production losses. Third, they can drill down to mean time between failures, or MTBF, especially for assets that are performing poorly. This measure is calculated by taking the total amount of time an asset is running and dividing it by the number of breakdowns within a set period of time. Fourth, they need to understand where they are on the reliability journey. Different companies are at different levels of reliability, and understanding where a business's technicians and management sit on the reliability spectrum can help a reliability engineer determine the correct priorities and starting point for a specific company. Fifth, they can transform technicians into problem solvers. By training maintenance technicians to incorporate reliability thinking in their everyday work, Reliability engineers can create and sustain a reliability culture within the organization. Sixth, they can focus on rotating equipment. This is one area where many companies may have issues, and reliability maintenance can make a huge difference by using vibration data and predictive maintenance tools to check equipment alignment. Seventh, they should always continue to learn. Many different certifications and continuous education opportunities are available for reliability engineers, and it's important to continue to grow in the career when it comes to reliability. And lastly, they can review maintenance procedures. Once the bulk of the analysis work has been completed, the nitty-gritty daily work must follow. This often involves working with maintenance technicians to rewrite most of a company's maintenance procedures, starting with critical assets and handling them one by one. That's a quick rundown of the role of a reliability engineer. It's a challenging but rewarding career that plays a critical role in maintaining and improving the reliability of assets in a wide range of industries. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the essential role of reliability engineers, their key responsibilities, and how they can enhance organizational reliability. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com.